Baendo. So many people, even Kurukusia, many people, they are using the wave of Matiang'i underground. Most of them. When I talk, my sitting Umuchumbe. Muchumbe is I know he's a friend of Amos, but he worked in deputy president's office for 10 years. But Mikama, this person is nothing because you can not tell me you are working in a government for 10 years without empowering constituency. Then you come when you are elected now, you start telling us that Getembe TV, Getembe TV ABCD, Getembe TV ABCD. What kind of stupid advice you are giving us? Because you've been in Getembe for the 5 years. You have the problem. Number one, chipa ranji banda wole mu Kisii Church South constituency. Tarabo. Chipa rechiga empowering youth. We did even PO. We can drive machines. We can operate those machines. Public participation. And to top those links as a constituency. So that's one way of improving people.
Yes.
Mimi siwezi leta pesa ya wizi.
Yes.
Na hii pesa ya wizi ndio imetumika kukampeni mpaka ukapata kiti. Why? Why do you teach us? Why you are telling us about love when you teach us how to hate? So now that's why we have risen, we have worked up. Anymore.
Yes.
The government, number one, if you see their agenda of housing, affordable housing. Now we have been promised affordable housing in prisons. Even the problem with our people. This, let me tell you one thing about the government. Kenya could decide. Do you know the reason why people hate Ruto? Ruto has delivered factually.
Yes.
Points Ruto has delivered. And the problem why Kikuyus and Mount Kenya people are starting hating Ruto is because Ruto is trying to deliver all over the country. When kusiga affordable housing muli Kenya, already affordable housing kusi. Affordable housing jiri hapa iko batete pare aga chukochi nyeri rogo ojiredre mata west. So that's why they have seen now Umontoyo is atete ongera okole bindo mamincha yao president everything, they want everything to be at Murima. That's why you see they are saying Murima wa amuire ukempak Matiang'i.
Yes.
So, and if we elect Matiang'i today, let's say if we are electing Matiang'i today, so it's like Uhuru is going to govern again through Matiang'i.
I see.
Number one, I remember Mosaji. Mkiota kira kwa Roma ya kwa head of the Mosaji. Number one, wenda utware nyumba. Number two, utware mukungu. Utware n'abana. Utware negas. Utware best. That's when also kwa na sava sacha man. There's no day ndaje ngo rusibu wanga de bono. Dezo kwanda USA. Jura amenya mwana ona akuratia kwa gacha. Jura amenya bona iga ingo cha kuira ni miaka yetano nde USA tumawacha kubanga. That's being used. It's the same thing one again the one body or young leaders to chamo to ikaranze general thing if Amos brings his agenda to the table and agenda channel to the table much we should now go down with them or you.
Okay.